Cagayan Valley has a 2-1 set lead, but here in the fourth, itong Sandugo San Sebastian in control with a 9-point lead. So it's basically a match that has had one team dominate a set and then the other team the next, except for that second set where it could have gone either way, and yung napakadikit natin na second set which Sandugo won.
Right now, let's see. Binting. That one called 4 touches.
Looked like it hit the blockers, but our first referee, Philip Cizon, says it did not, so it was just a tape. So, mukhang 4 touches ang tawag at serve. Oh, Diaz making her first appearance of the match for Coach Mike Rafael. Well, he hopes that itong pagbunot niya kay Diaz could probably turn things around or change the complexion of this match. Let's see what Diaz brings to the table for Cagayan.
That one is out.
Oh, lucky break there. I thought that hit Diaz. Swerte pa rin itong Cagayan Valley Rising Suns.
And they need all the luck they can get. Dahil ito, syempre, kung ikaw yung CBRS, you don't want this to go to the fifth and the deciding set.
Oh! Service ace this time for Diaz. Looks like Diaz has... that was a good draw by Coach Mike.
Quality minutes being played here. And again, forcing that poor reception on Crisostomo.
Oy! Pangatlong beses na nangyayari yan. Sa Sandugo ito, napatawag ng timeout si Coach Roger. Why? It's just a 6-point lead right now. Let's listen in.
Ang iniisip nyo kasi lamang kayo. Hindi nyo iniisip kung paano tatapusin yung laro. Kasi papalipak mo yung bola ron. Hindi naman nyo nakita kung sino. Kaya sabi sa iyo huwag ka mag-concentrate natin sa harap. Saan? Ano naman, diba? Noong time out, sabi ko siya, ano gagawin? Huwag mong iiwas dun sa block. Panuhin mo lang, diretso kung gusto mo. Huwag mong ikabit mo pa ganyan. Palabas yung bola eh. Diba? Maliwanag naman yung instruction eh. Ayaw nyo lang sundin.
The Shakey's Volleyball Open Invasion for every 500 peso food purchase at any of the 21 branches of Shakey's within Makati and Metro Manila. You will get a free ticket into the finals here in the Open Conference at the Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Yes, with another good serve.
Dito sa CBRS, you'll see that, you know, most of the players talaga, no, have very good services.
And that time, no one was left at the back for Cagayan Valley, so no one was there for coverage. 18 serving 11. Overpowering the block was 13. Now it's a free ball. So, muntik pang makawala. Makulangan to Ned.
Oh, Ned. Very sharp attack. Take a look at that again. Si Makulangan had a very good set, ano? Just really feeding the ball to Ned. Good serve.
Yunela. This reception. 9-point lead for Sandugo, San Sebastian. Looks like we are headed to a fifth set.
Oh, Sartin sends that one straight into the net.
Sandra Oh, this is too long. No touch from the block.
Just a lot of errors.
Mamaya makikita natin sa stats yan
Oo.
kung gaano karami ang itinapon na points itong CBRS doon sa kanilang mga errors.
Oh, look at that. This time it's Nere Bautista's turn to score the aces.
And it's 23 to 11. I believe this is the lowest output of CBRS in this match. Wally scoring again.
Ang nawala sa CBRS is their defense. Earlier, makikita natin, Sandugo was having a difficult time in getting a kill because the defense of CBRS is all over the place. But at this point,
Wala.
nawawala.
Muntik pa magkabanggaan. Wally and Rhea. Sartin with an off-speed picks up the point. Still set point though for Sandugo San Sebastian. Andaya with a serve. Off the block.
So at the very least for CBRS, it's just really a climb to minimize or lessen the gap, narrow the gap rather from San Sebastian's score. Pero mahirap na to. I mean, it's going to be very difficult for them.
That is inside. Angela Binting floats it right on the line. So, doon na nagtapos ang ating fourth set. I don't know what happened to Sandugo because the momentum definitely was with them starting off this fourth set.
As we take a look at our shakies, shake and play, look at this last attack from Benting.
Yun, linyang-linya.
Sakto.
So, bottom line, and we will decide all of this with the fifth set when we come back.